Welcome to the Daily Quiz Podcast. Today's category is Science and Nature. Let's get to it. Question 1. What is a word for a castrated ram? Is it A. What? B. Cuz? C. You? Or D. Whether? The answer is D. Whether.
In the world of sheep farming, a wether is a castrated ram, often used for meat or wool production. Interestingly, wether goats were historically used as pack animals in mountainous regions due to their sure-footedness and strength. The term wether also inspired the word bellwether, referring to a leader or trendsetter.
Question 2. What is the word for a group of poultry? Is it A. A run? B. A parliament? C. A exaltation? Or D. A stud? The answer is A. A run.
In the world of poultry, a run refers to a group of birds like chickens or turkeys. This term is derived from their tendency to roam freely in an enclosed area. Interestingly, these feathered friends often establish a social hierarchy known as the pecking order, where each bird knows its rank.
Question 3. Lack of vitamin D causes which disease? Is it A. Osteoporosis? B. Rickets? C. Anemia? Or D. Smallpox? The answer is B. Rickets.
Rickets, a disease caused by vitamin D deficiency, was once so prevalent during the Industrial Revolution that it earned the nickname the English disease. The lack of sunlight in smog-filled cities led to widespread cases among children, resulting in bowed legs and other skeletal deformities. Cod liver oil became a popular remedy.
Question 4. Who invented the gramophone? Is it A. Thomas Edison? B. Elisha Otis? C. Samuel Colt? Or D. Henry Blair? The answer is A. Thomas Edison.
While Thomas Edison is often credited with inventing the phonograph, it was actually Emil Berliner who invented the gramophone. Unlike Edison's cylinder-based device, Berliner's gramophone used flat discs to record sound. This innovation paved the way for modern records and revolutionized how music was consumed in the late 19th century.
Question 5. What is a baby sheep known as? Is it A. A lamb? B. A fry? C. A maggot? Or D. A caterpillar? The answer is A. A lamb.
A baby sheep, known as a lamb, is not just adorable but also historically significant. In ancient Rome, lambs were symbols of purity and sacrifice. Their wool was so prized that it became a form of currency in some cultures. Plus, they can recognize their mother's bleat among hundreds of others.
Question 6. Which member of the orchid family is used commercially as a flavoring? Is it A. Cinnamon? B. Vanilla? C. Cocoa? Or D. Almond? The answer is B. Vanilla.
Vanilla, derived from the orchid Vanilla planifolia, is one of the world's most labor-intensive crops. Each flower must be hand-pollinated within 12 hours of blooming. The pods then undergo a lengthy curing process to develop their signature flavor, making vanilla second only to saffron as the most expensive spice globally.
Question 7. Why is Louise Brown famous? Is it A. Oldest human being? B. Solved Fermat's last theorem? C. First test tube baby? Or D. First woman in space? The answer is C. First test tube baby.
Louise Brown, born on July 25, 1978, in Oldham, England, became the world's first test tube baby, marking a groundbreaking moment in reproductive medicine. Her birth was made possible through in vitro fertilization, IVF, a technique developed by Dr. Robert Edwards and Dr. Patrick Steptoe, revolutionizing fertility treatments worldwide.
Question 8. Which of these medical terms comes from an ancient Greek word meaning without sensation? Is it A. Paralysis, B. Anesthesia, C. Amnesia, or D. Hypnosis? The answer is B. Anesthesia.
The term anesthesia is derived from the ancient Greek word anesthesia, which means without sensation. Coined by physician Oliver Wendell Holmes Sr. in 1846, it revolutionized surgery by allowing patients to undergo procedures without pain, transforming medical practices and paving the way for modern surgical techniques.
Question 9. What is theology the study of? Is it A. Trees, B. Blood, C. Religion, or D. Children? The answer is C. Religion.
Theology, the study of religion, delves into the divine mysteries and beliefs that have shaped civilizations for millennia. It explores everything from ancient mythologies to modern spiritual practices, offering insights into humanity's quest for meaning. Theologians often engage in lively debates about ethics, existence, and the nature of God or gods across cultures.
Thanks for tuning in. Remember, in the universe of knowledge, you're a star. Keep orbiting around curiosity and let your brain cells evolve. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. It's been a pleasure, until we meet again tomorrow. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for sources and credits. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.